In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So by default, the read aloud option uses this voice. So if I actually activate it for you right now so you can hear it, I'm going to just go like this over here.
Video tutorial sample document resource for screen recording and demonstration.
There we go, you're able to hear what it actually sounds by default. So let me deactivate this and then change it. So to change the voice, you want to go to Edit up top, and then you want to go to Preferences. Now in here, there's a bunch of different things. What you want to do is you want to find Reading, okay? So it's over here towards the bottom middle. And then here you can see it says Use Default Voice. So you want to uncheck this, and this Microsoft David Desktop is basically the default. So you can use this one, which is the default, but in some cases, you can use other ones as well. So in my case, I have this one over here, which is Microsoft Zero Desktop, and I can click on that and it's going to change the voice. Now in your case, you may have more than them for some reason. So if you do, you can of course choose whichever one you want and then just click on OK. And if I now reactivate this, read out loud, you'll be able to hear the voice is going to sound different. So
blank.
As you were able to hear, it's just said blank, but still
Blank.
you get the point, okay? So if I click
Introduction
here,
to the US.
okay?
This document is designed as a high-fidelity
There we go, so you
placeholder
get
for
the
video
point, now it's
creators.
working, okay? It basically changed the voice. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.